Are you looking for a fast and powerful crypto trading app with advanced tools? Today we're talking about the Phemex app and whether it's actually worth using or not. Phemex is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a mix of simple and advanced features. Talking about features, Phemex provides spot trading and futures trading with fast execution. It also offers advanced charting tools that help you analyze the market better. Along with that, you get earning options like staking and savings, where you can earn rewards on your crypto holdings over time. The app interface is clean and modern. Beginners can start with basic buy and sell features, while advanced users can explore charts, leverage trading, and other tools. Overall, it offers a smooth trading experience. Now let's quickly see how to use it. First, download the Phemex app from the Play Store, then sign up using your email or mobile number and complete the verification process. After that, you can deposit funds, buy crypto, and start trading directly from your phone. A quick disclaimer: cryptocurrency trading involves risk. Prices can be highly volatile, so always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now the big question, is it worth it? If you're looking for a fast trading platform with advanced tools and earning options, then Phemex is a strong option. However, if you're a complete beginner, some features like futures trading might take time to understand. Overall, Phemex is a reliable and feature-rich crypto app suitable for both beginners and advanced users. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app reviews. And let me know in the comments which app you want me to review next.